Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. Today I'm sharing with you my third update on the 2026 Pandat Palette Project Pan. The palette that I'm working on is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone Eyeshadow Palette, and there are 6 eyeshadows in here. And for this update, I'm happy to share that I've finally hit pan on one eyeshadow, and it is this crease shade on the right there. I was able to hit pan on that after using this for around 46 times. Well, that's the total uses since I started the project, but I already hit pan on that. I would say when I hit 43 uses. So I just tried to expand that pan to make sure that it's very visible when I give my update today. Now for the other eyeshadows, you can see that there's dip on this shade. There's dip on the eyelid shade as well. Even for this first shade, this is the brow bone shade, and this crease shade on the left. For this one, I don't know, it's not as visible, but there's also dip. So it's just these two that there's no dip showing yet. Now let me just share with you my uses for this update. For this left brow bone shade, I've used this 7 times for this update. For this eyelid shade, I used this 11 times. And then for this crease shade, I've used this 13 times. For the definer, I didn't use this at all. So I'll now start focusing on this one since I've now hit pan on that shade. I've been using these 2 shades as eyeliner. For this brow bone on the right, I've used this 4 times. And then for this eyelid shade, I only used this once. And then for this crease shade, for this update, I've used this 13 times. And for the definer shade, this one on the right, I've used this twice. So this is a quick update of my progress on the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette. My goal for this is to hit pan on all of the shades, but let's see if I get bored with this. I might change the palette that I'll be working on. But so far, I still want to hit pan on more shades, especially these 3 shades where there's already dip showing. Significant dip actually, I would say. For these 2, there's a high chance that I'll hit pan on those early. This one as well actually. Okay, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!